The 5200 Semi-Synthetic Blend Coolant from Sawblade.com is designed to keep your blade cool, to keep the workpiece cool, to rinse the workpiece, to increase the life 30 to 40% on your wearable parts, your guides, your bearings. It has a blue tint, so you can just kind of look at it without a refractometer and determine whether you need to add more coolant. The coolant to water ratio is there. The 5200 Semi-Synthetic Blend Coolant is a great choice for high production applications and or home shops. This fluid is great if you're cutting mild steel, you're cutting high nickel alloys, bar stock, block. This coolant comes in a 1 gallon, 5 gallon, and a 55 gallon drum. And it's water soluble and designed to mix a 10 to 1. We ship the coolant, it comes in a box, it comes with an MSDS sheet and it's labeled. We've got great packaging on the product. So if you're looking for a new coolant or if you're looking to upgrade the current coolant you have, take a look at Sawblade.com's 5200 Semi-Synthetic Blend. It's going to extend blade life and help keep your saw clean, and all wearable parts last longer. I'm George with Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching. Remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.